good morning. I'm sorry, hapon na pala. Good afternoon. By the way, kagala na naman tayo dahil merong event. Actually, holiday dito ngayon. It's Thanksgiving. And halos lahat ng mga establishment is closed. And buti na lang yung pupuntahan natin is open sila. Kasi, siguro sinadya din nila na mag-open dahil alam nila na maraming walang trabaho. Guys, finally, nandito na tayo. I'm excited. I'm not sure. First time ko dito. Malayo siya from my place. Ano siya, almost 2 hours. Guys, grabe. Ang sarap ng tulog ko sa sa subway station. And alam niyo ba, kailangan ko ng drinks. Kailangan ko ng pampagising dahil inaantok pa rin ako until now. Kita niyo naman. Ito na siya. There. Akala ko outdoor. Indoor pala siya, no? Inaantok pa talaga ako. Everyday I wake up. Nandun na sila.
Nandun na sila?
Guys, nandun palang event. Outdoor pala talaga. Tapos kanina, tinatry namin i-open yung mga door ng mall. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi lang kami. Marami kami. Tapos merong babae, sabi niya, uy, hindi dito yung event ng Halloween.
Kaya nga.
Hi! Ang cute pala, ang cute. Guys, merong barbecue, And parang ang sarap ng mga dessert. Guys, it's here. Sana masarap, para worth it ang price. Magkano worth it ang ating $14. Tingnan niyo, ang cute ng bata. Ang cute niya. Siya talaga yung view. Guys, it's here. Ito, i-try natin to. Parang dessert. Ang sarap ng buhok ko. Masarap. Masarap ang pie. Hi guys! Ito pa pala yung bahay namin. Welcome kayo. Pasok. Anong gusto niyo? Anong gusto yung kainin? Pumpkin, flower, sunflower, mais. Meron kaming mais kung nagugutom kayo. So, come here, come here. House tour, house tour. Ito nga pala yung kitchen namin. Medyo modern siya. Kasi mahilig ako sa modern. And dito ako natutulog. Ito yung aking room. And ito yung aking bed. Cute siya. Ito yung design. Unique style. And be careful kayo kasi ano to siya, modern CCTV. Tingnan niyo naman. Ang ganda ng kanyang mga mata. And syempre ito, ano lang siya na space. Living room. Party / party. Oh, shot! Pano! Kanina pa to, hindi ko pa nauubos. Hi! Guys, sobrang cute dito. Nakahingin siya.
Gusto mong parang ang preso.
Hi lang.
Sige. Wala energy.
Okay, saan ang bahay niyo? Okay, itour mo kami. Girl, saan ang bahay mo? Itour mo kami. Ay, sa kabila, tara.
Yan, bagay na bagay.
Guys, ito yung goal ko. Magkapanga. Kasi wala akong panga. Double chin meron sa akin. Sa kanya ang ano na, ang tulis ng panga niya. Ang cute! Welcome
Yeah.
Yeah, excited. It looks so good.
Yeah.
Ang sarap no, may ano siya, soup. Ang sarap din ng timpla nila, perfect.
Sarap ito.
Ang sarap no?
Sarap yung luto nila, promise.
May drinks na ako pinali.
So, ano yan, sis?
Ha?
Ano yan?
Pork. Pork. I-try nyo girl, i-try nyo.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
Wala talaga yung
Oo, wala. Hi guys, good morning. By the way, may lakad na naman tayo. Magkikita kami ng mga friends ko. We're gonna have maybe coffee or lunch. And depende na kung anong gagawin namin. Kasi hindi pa actually sure. But kakain kami for sure. That's for sure. And by the way, ito yung suot ko. Medyo malamig ngayon. And alam niyo guys, last year ko pa to, last time na nasuot. And ngayon, sobrang it's very uncomfortable kasi sobrang sikip. Like, tumababa talaga ako ng sobra. Kasi sobrang sikip talaga. Parang hindi ako makahinga. Pero titiisin ko na lang to. Then, after wearing this today, bibigay ko na. Kasi hindi ko na kasya and nahihirapan na ako. Yay! Autumn na talaga. So, I'm ready na. Now, join with us today. Bye! Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa meetup place dahil dito tayo susunduin ng friend ko dahil nagda-drive siya. So, actually, yung meetup time is 12 and we came here like early, 20 minutes early. So, inagahan ko talaga dahil ayaw ko na maghintay siya or, ayaw ko na ma-hassle yung ibang tao. Dahil siya na nga yung susundo, diba? Tapos pahintayin pa natin. Hi, guys! Hi! My friend is here.
We're going to cafe.
Yeah. Are you like... Are you studying right now?
Well, yeah, I'm studying in the beginning of September
Yeah.
for like immigration law at Queens, but then I got a really good job.
Yeah.
And so I signed a contract with like the school saying I can't work more than 10 hours if I'm gonna continue school because it's professional school.
Yeah.
But like at the same time I need to work because I need money.
I know, we all
The job
need
that I
it.
have is like
Do you know how to speak Bisaya?
no, I'm fluent in Ilocano.
Ilocano? Can you try? Actually, this area it looks like Australia.
Really?
Where I live at, like in Auburn. Am I in Auburn? Let's see. It looks like Auburn. Guys, it smells like Australia.
It's good vibe.
Yeah. It's my first time. Is this your first time in this area?
It's my first time.
Yeah. It's cute, no?
Yeah, we're just in front of Pablo's coffee.
Okay. Hi. Do you want? No, I'm not really sure.
Let's try the...
What you want?
drink that they have.
Ah, no. It's too sweet.
Are you guys also gonna get that food?
Yeah. Then we can do
Probably gonna get a sandwich.
sandwich. Yeah. Have you decided na?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the steak sandwich.
Yeah.
And then I'm also gonna get a London fog with oat milk.
And you? Are you gonna have?
I'm actually haven't tried the red rose.
No, it sounds good though.
So guys, our food is here. And what's your order? What is it?
Sandwich.
It looks so good.
And I also got a London fog tea latte.
Yeah, and how about you? What you have?
I have my Greek salad with chicken and black green tea.
You guys are so healthy. I have hot chocolate.
It's
And this one.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah.
She's singing in the car one time.
Okay. Guys, we're here at, where are we?
We're at Dimitri's. It's like a dessert place. Where they have a bunch of like really cool desserts.
I'm so excited. It's actually my first time here, so is it the first time here or not?
It's my first because this is actually just open.
Yeah, I'm so excited to try them out. Thank you.
A little vlog.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh. Hi.
Oh, we go there.
On the other side. That's so cute. That's so funny. Yeah, I know. And look, it looks so fancy. Yeah, maybe here. Oh, look at that.
You know, on the left side is the Japanese cultural, and there's a lot of church.
Beautiful, God's work.
Yeah.
People would say like the leaves is how God painted the world.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Way of painting.
It's actually mesmerizing.